I am Dr. Ananthi, Christy, Professor, Department of Marine Engineering, Amata University. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about testing of cable and insulation sheath on board ship. Testing of cable. Already we had seen what is cable in the last class. What are all the precautionary conditions we have to take in the cables also. So we have to always check before installation and erection, because that ship environment is always harsh and moist. So why we are going for testing of cable means we have to enhance the performance of the electrical system, and we have to ensure the integrity of the cable. So that always we have to first go for testing of cable. We are having several methods. First one, while doing that, 4 to 5 tests will be there. We are all well connected with Megger. Megger is well known for insulation resistance checking. So by using that, we can check the insulation condition of the cable. So what is the procedure means? We have to pass high DC voltage to the cable and measure what will be the resistance. Here the resistance should be maintained above somewhat minimum value. Then continuity test. This test is conducted whether any breakage in the cable or not. So low voltage is first applied and we are measuring the current flow is going continuously from one end of the cable to another end of the cable. If it is interrupted there, then we can find out any fault is there, then we can rectify that. Then high voltage testing. Integrity of the cable insulation is checked by high voltage for a short period. Then the cable is subjected to somewhat higher voltage than the operating voltage. So we have to take some precautionary options also while handling this test, because we used to pass high voltage. Then voltage drop test. Already we know what is voltage drop. It is nothing but potential difference between the two ends of the conductor. Same way we are measuring the voltage difference, and then we are calculating any other excess voltage drop is there means we can take safety measures based on that. Then time domain reflowmetry test. To locate the fault, such as shorts open in the cable, is find out with the help of time domain reflowmetry test. Here we are passing some pulse down the cable. Then we will be counting the time, at what time we are passing and when the signal has reflected. Based on the time difference, we are calculating and locating the fault. Then next one is hot spot. Hot spot in the cable, that is the hot spot is due to very high temperature. It is located with the help of the thermography test. Then visual inspection. Whatever the test we are doing, we have to do some visual inspection also. Then only healthy of the cable and safety will be maintained. Then earth continuity test. Earth continuity test means we are passing some low resistance and we are measuring what is the value of the resistance between the earth wire to the ship grounding point. Based on that, we can check the earth continuity is good or not. Then cable slicing and termination test. To ensure that splices or terminations available in the cable, we are using this test. Then we are, after finishing this test also, we will be testing the cable for better insulation or not. Then cable aging and degradation test. To determine the condition of the cable which is undergone for a long life, then we have to visually check whether the cable is subjected to any other bad conditions or the cable is remaining good. Then some codes and standards will be used while installation in the ship also. So whatever the codes and that is a safety measures mean, some of the shipping companies had given so much of the codes, MARPOL, SOLAS, everything is there. Here we have to follow IMO standards while erecting the cables in the ship. Then International Electrochemical Commission also given so many codes like IEC 6092 to 353. It is mainly mentioned for low voltage shipboard power cable. Then classification of societies. Then we are well known about DNVGL. It always that is stick on with safety and installation of the cable. Then always we have to maintain standard. We have to follow ISO standard. Then marine environmental protection code always there. It should always keep on watching whether we have to follow all the things withstanding with, that is moist, humidity, all the things. Then practical tips while handling cables in the ship. That's cable selection should be always perfect, because high grade cable only we have to always select it, because we will be working with moist environment, and also the environment will be salty, and we have to work with seawater. That's why high graded cable will be selected. Then always we have to use safety. We have to concentrate on safety also. So flame retardant, low smoke or halogen free cables will be uses. It prevents toxic gases from being released during fire condition. Then cable routing. Route power and communication cables will be used to avoid electromagnetic interference while using the communications. The other thing we have to concentrate on redundancy and circuit protection and handling and storage. Always cables should be with protection system. So circuit breaker, fuses will be employed for overcurrent situation. Then redundant system means while critical systems comes means continuity of the supply should be maintained. That's why backup of the supply should be there. Thank you.